Okay, so for number 8, find every purchase of VCD player. 1 out of 10 is spoiled. Probability spoiled. 1 out of 10, 0.1. 20 of the VCD were bought. What's the probability? Okay, so X is number of VCD that are spoiled. X distributed binomial 20, spoiled 0.1. So all your situation is talking about spoiled. But this one is not spoiled, this one is spoiled. So for not spoiled, number of VCD not spoiled. So Y distributed binomial 20, 0.9. Okay, so if spoiled is 0.1. Not spoiled means a good one will be 0.9. So for the first question A1, it is talking about not spoiled. Means probability Y more than 17. The VCD is good. So it will be under the good one. Y more than 17. So this one can be read from table. 0.9 cannot read from table. So we need to inverse it, change it to the bad one, 0.1. So from the good one is Y, change to bad one is X. More than will become less than. 17 is good. So the rest of it remaining 3, which is bad. So we can use the distribution X distributed binomial 20, 0.1, referring for this X. So refer table, we need more than equal. You want less than 3. To get more than equal, 1 minus px more than equal 3. To read from table. So statistic table, sample 20, p 0.1. Sample 20, 0.1, read for 3. 3, 2, 3, 1. Then number 2, probability at least 1 spoil. So spoil is X, at least more than equal 1. So this one we can read directly from the table X here. Reading for 1, 8784. So when you come to question B, now 400 is bought, then consider the spoil one. So means X distributed binomial 400, 0.1. Then you check your condition. The first one, N is large. Number 2, mean and P 400 times 0.1, you get 40 more than 5. Number 3, how is the probability in between 0.1 and 0.9? So we can change to normal. To get normal, variance is NPQ. So 40 times Q, 3.36. So X distributed normal, mean 40, variance 36. So the first question is asked 50 to 70. Probability 50 included to 70. So start your working from binomial, change to normal, find your Z, draw your graph, read your tables to get answer. So doing your CC, 50 and 70 included, so you need to start from 49.5 until 70.5, then change it to Z minus mean over standard deviation 6. Square root 36 is 6. So your Z score 1.58 until 5.08. If you draw it, both at right hand side positive value 1.58, 5.08 in between this area. So to get it from the table, you need your right tail concept. So you will take your right tail. This tail means right tail for 1.58 minus the tail of 5.08 in order to get this part. So you will take the big side, the bigger tail here, minus this empty tail here. So ambil ekor 1.58, tolak ekor 50. So dapat tengah-tengah segerak situ. Okay, so reading from your table 1.58. .58 0571 5.0 you don't have 5.0 you don't have, so is 0.057 minus 0.0571. So you have second part, finish it. The most number of VCD that are spoiled is 14.28. So 14.28, 0.1428. Alright, so same procedure, change to normal, 1428. So this one n will be less than n is included, so it will be less than n plus 0.5 cc. Then change to z, n plus 0 minus mean over standard deviation. So I assume it as a value k or value a. Then we draw it, guessing it left hand side or right hand side, negative. Yes, negative. Less than that, this region 1.48. So the region will be fit with the numbering here. So to read from the table means we're going to read A to get 1428. So 1428, it won't happen, the value won't have at the last here. The last value of probability here is 9. So you have to find in between 1428. 1423 is the nearest. So it will be reading 1.07. But our A as left hand side is supposed to be negative 1.7. Then we substitute back. Find back the n. 33.08, but m is number of VCD discrete, so m is 33 discrete. So you put the decimal first, then you round off. This is for answering, this is discrete. Alright.